Hello friends, you know very well that ID cards are used extensively in schools, colleges, institutes, companies, etc. They are used by one and all. I'll show you how you can save yourself great deal of time and money by making high quality PVC cards right from the comfort of your home. Using an ordinary inkjet printer without the need of an expensive ID card printer or dragon sheets, etc. The things you will need to create your cards with the design of your choice are as follows: inkjet printer to print the design of the card, PVC ID card cutter to give round shape to the card after it has been laminated, ID card lamination pouches to laminate and protect the card by giving it a glossy laminate on front and back side. Fevistick, it will help to glue the front and back side of the card securely. Inkjet glossy sheets, these are the sheets on which the design is printed by the printer. Good quality lamination machine to seal the card and preserve its life and quality. Scissors to cut the printed card neatly along all the four sides. Now I'll show you how to insert and print the artwork of the cards and then print them on inkjet printer. I have opened PowerPoint. You can open any editing software of your choice. Create A4 size document in portrait form. Insert the design of your card one by one as I am doing. When everything is set, give the print command. And when all the cards have been printed, use the scissors to trim them neatly as I am doing. I have forwarded the video, but you get the idea. Now apply Fevistick properly and evenly to all the ID cards as I am doing. Then fold the card and align the edges properly. Thereafter, insert all the cards inside the ID card laminator and laminate them so that we can cut them in the ID card cutter to give them their beautiful professional looking shape of ID card. While cutting, ensure the ID card is in the middle of the cutter and then press the handle carefully and swiftly, and wow, your awesome looking ID card with the design of your choice is ready to wow the world. Congrats to yourself. You have saved yourself hundreds of dollars by avoiding the ID card printer and saved yourself a lot of time by making the cards yourself at the comfort of your home or office. If you like this video tutorial, then please like, subscribe, comment and do share our video. Thank you so much.